Hi, welcome to another episode of Easy Filipino Cooking. So today we're gonna make Adobong Pusit, which is a very easy recipe to make, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to make it. So our ingredients for this recipe, we're going to use pusit or squid. We're also gonna use some garlic, onion, bay leaf, black pepper, vinegar, and then soy sauce. We're also gonna put some sugar, but that's optional if you guys want it a little sweeter or not.